Dvadeset i šest.
26.
26.
U prirodi.
In nature.
In nature.
Vidiš li tamo toranj?
Do you see the tower there?
Do you see the tower there?
Vidiš li tamo brijeg?
Do you see the mountain there?
Do you see the mountain there?
Vidiš li tamo selo?
Do you see the village there?
Do you see the village there?
Vidiš li tamo rijeku?
Do you see the river there?
Do you see the river there?
Vidiš li tamo most?
Do you see the bridge there?
Do you see the bridge there?
Vidiš li tamo jezero?
Do you see the lake there?
Do you see the lake there?
Ona ptica tamo mi se sviđa.
I like that bird.
I like that bird.
Sviđa mi se ono drvo tamo.
I like that tree.
I like that tree.
Sviđa mi se ovaj kamen ovdje.
I like this stone.
I like this stone.
Onaj park tamo mi se sviđa.
I like that park.
I like that park.
Sviđa mi se onaj vrt tamo.
I like that garden.
I like that garden.
Ovaj cvijet ovdje mi se sviđa.
I like this flower.
I like this flower.
Mislim da je lijepo.
I find that pretty.
I find that pretty.
Mislim da je interesantno.
I find that interesting.
I find that interesting.
Mislim da je prekrasno.
I find that gorgeous.
I find that gorgeous.
Mislim da je ružno.
I find that ugly.
I find that ugly.
Mislim da je dosadno.
I find that boring.
I find that boring.
Mislim da je to strašno.
I find that terrible.
I find that terrible.